You could see that everything was happening at the house that we were staying at.
Metsotso morago ga gore ba tswele ka ntle bodule bja bona bo ile bja fetoga go ba lefelo la bosenyi.
There were gunshots. There was a helicopter also. We saw commotions, we saw cops.
Morago gore Maphodisa a longwe tsebe a ile a hwetša bagononelwa ba tsenetše kopano ntlong ye.
It appears as if they were planning an aggravated robbery.
Bagononelwa ba lesomenne ba ile ba swarwa.
2 of them are female. We've also recovered 4 illegal firearms, which is 3 rifles and 1 pistol. And also on the premises are 6 vehicles, 5 of which have already been confirmed as stolen.
Bangwe ba tsene ka mongwe wa seloko yo mongwe wa bona o tšhabile le lesea la kgwedi tše tshela.
Umuntu akhona bekagcoke a grey sort of camouflage outfit. His t-shirt was fun, and apparently he had a mohawk.
Eupša Maphodisa a tseba bokaone ka tiragalo ye.
We have also been given that report that there is one of the suspects who possibly used the child as a protection not to get shot.
Go dumelwa ge batswadi ba lesea le ba le magareng ga bagononelwa ba ba tshwerego ntlong ye. Gomme ge ba bangwe ba le gare ba tšhaba beng ba difatanaga ba ile ba amega.
Okay.
Monna yo o re o sa amegile maikutlo.
I picked up the client.
O ile a tlhaselwa.
4 guys, they're pointing rifle guns straight to me. They said, get out of the car. Then when I lift up the hands because I didn't know what to do, I was shocked. Then they opened the car. Then they pushed me out. Then I slept down. Then I had about more than 20 to 30 shotgun.
Gape mothuntshanong o bile gona mebileng ye mengwe ka Kelvin.
We also unfortunately report 2 fatalities. One is one of the suspects and one is a security guard who was shot.
Dinyakišišo di tsene fase.
I'm so traumatized. That vision coming back to me again and again and again.
Ke maga ke tla mohlabe wa ditaba tša SABC Kelvin ka lebowa la Johannesburg.